Perform Vajrasana. All of you sit in kneel down pose. Okay. All of you perform Sasakasana. Inhale, raise your both hands. Exhale, bend forward. Your nose, forehead must be on touch with the floor. Hold 8 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, raise your both hands. Exhale, lower your both hands. Release. Okay, dear children, then all of you stand on knee. All of you perform Ustrasana. All of you